myself JHANVI.
We have chosen a topic theft of gold and money. Problem statement. Due to we have become so major concern, leading to the insecurity and fear among each other. And we have to be careful during and not share anything to others. So my friends here will continue with explanation and solution.
Theft of gold and money happens due to greed, unemployment, and lack of security, and or easy access to valuables. It often occurs in homes, banks, jewelry shops, or during travels. Such thefts can cause heavy financial loss, emotional distress, and fear among victims. For this, we need to use CCTV cameras, alarms, and strong locks. We should not share valuables online or openly. Use lockers for gold and cash. Stay alert in crowded and unsafe areas. Theft of gold and money project. The project theft of gold and money is about the thief entering into the house to do robbery of money and gold in the house. So the project decided when the robber enters the house and reminds the owner that the robbing is going on in the house and make it good. We have buzzer, power supply board, jumper wires, and IR sensor, and we connect ground to ground, again ground to ground, IP to OP, and then we'll switch the battery on power supply.
So when a robber enters the house, it starts beeping. Advantages and disadvantages. This is very useful because it works 24/7, which normal person cannot do it. So it has given a lot of security to the house. And this application.
Police awareness campaign further helps to reduce theft and ensure safety. Values in society. Respecting others' property and refrain from stealing. Acting ethically even when given opportunity to commit theft. Safeguarding one's and owns and others' valuables. Building confidence in relationships and communities. Following rules and discouraging criminal activities. Communities working together to prevent theft and protect property.
Thank you.